little friends, how are you? Today we will learn lesson 9. In this lesson, we will see 4-letter words starting with two consonant blends. But what are two consonant blends? When we blend sounds of two different consonants, they become two consonant blend. Like this. B and L makes blur. So we will say B and L together. Blur. K and L makes cl. F and L makes fl. G and L makes gl. P and L makes pl. S and L makes sl. T and W makes tw. Now we will see some of the words starting with two consonant blends. But in this lesson, instead of following our green, orange and red dots, we will follow these boxes. Say the sound in the green box first, then the sound in the orange box, and then the sound in the pink box. Like this. Cl, a, p, clap. Now let's practice some more words. Bl, o, t, blot. Cl, I, p, clip. Cl, a, b, club. Fl, a, g, flag. Gl, a, d, glad. Pl, a, g, plug. Pl, a, m, plum. Pl, a, s, plus. Sl, a, g, slug. Sl, e, d, sled. Tw, e, n, twin. Tw, e, g, twig. Now let's read some more words, but let's try to blend all 4 sounds like a song. Like this. Blur, blur. Can you try to read along with me? Let's go. Blog, blog. Clam, clam. Flat, flat. Flip, flip. Glum, glum. Glam, glam. Plot, plot. Slam, slam. Slate, slit. Good job! You did it! We will meet in the next lesson with a different set of two consonant blends. Till then, try to read some more words and practice writing them with your parents. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.